Dr. McWheelie. Look! A small yellow car is having fun driving up and down the hills. Dear little car, be careful. Always look forward on the road. Oh, look! There's a nail in front of you. The little car didn't notice it, and now its wheel is damaged. Don't worry, dear car. Look, a tow truck has come to save you. He will take you to Dr. McWheelie's garage. Hold on. Ready, steady, go! We've come to the garage. Dr. McWheelie is waiting for you.
Beep, beep.
Come down, little car, and move to the platform for the investigation. Thank you, tow truck. See you next time. Well, let's see. Clear. We need to fix the wheel. First, take off the damaged tire. Let's find the nail. Take it out with these pliers. Great job, Doc! As usual. But this is not the end. There is a hole left in the tire. Doctor, could you please cover it with glue? Great! It didn't hurt at all. Now we can put the tire in its place. Now, let's pump the wheel. Ready? Little car, look! Dr. McWheelie has a present for you. A spare wheel. Every car must have it. If you have a spare wheel with you, you can come to the garage in case of emergency yourself. Thank you, Dr. McWheelie, for helping the little car and your advice. See you next time!